how to install Microsoft Clarity in Shopify. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to of course go here on the clarity.microsoft.com and then of course log in into your account. Now once you are logged in into your account, the next thing that we need to do is to click this view all platforms. So once you click that, let's look for Shopify, which is right here. So just click that right there. And then what we're going to do, you will see this copy your tracking code. Now what we're going to do is to copy to clipboard. And then once you do that, let's go to our Shopify store, which is right here. Now once you're now here, you will be redirected into this page. Now the next thing that we need to do is to click this online store right here. So click that online store. And then once you are now here, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the three dots and then click that one and then click edit code. Shopify has currently an ongoing deal right now wherein you will only need to pay $1 for the first 3 months. So if you want to avail that deal right now, all you have to do is to go down below the description and the comment section. So you will see the link right there. All you have to do is to click it and then you will be redirected right here. Now going back into our video, now once you click edit code, go here on the left screen and then you will see this theme.liquid. So just click right there and then in this part you will see some codes. Now what we're going to do here is to click Control F and then type this one right here. And then once you do that, just look for that one right there. And then once you find it, all we have to do is to put a space right here. Now what we're going to do next is to paste the script, the code that we have just copied, which is right here. Now once you do that, the next thing that we need to do is to click the save button. And then the next thing that we're going to do is to go back here on the Clarity. Once you've completed that, if you are using a Shopify Plus accounts, then you can now follow the step 10 towards the step 15. But if you're just using the regular Shopify account, then you won't need to do the steps. However, if this step didn't work for you, then consider also following these steps right there. And then once you do that, once it has been saved, if you go back right there and if you check if the Microsoft Clarity has been connected to your Shopify, and then once you do that, Shopify might take some time to connect your Clarity account in your Shopify store. So all you have to do is to wait for them. And then eventually they will now be in your store. So that is basically it. That is how to install Microsoft Clarity in Shopify.